Hello everybody, it's Lauren from It's the Kellys, and I am about to head on my cruise out of Sydney, Australia. But while I'm here, I thought that I would go to the mall and check out the July store. You guys know I love my July Luggage, and I ranked it #1 out of all 5 luggage brands that I review regularly. And I'm so excited to go in and actually see the store today. I want to see all the luggage, I want to see all the bags, I want to see all the accessories, I want to see all the colors, and I'm excited to finally see these things in person. Let's go check it out. This is their carry-on and their carry-on essential. One has aluminum bumpers and an ejectable battery, and one doesn't. They have 3 different sizes in this style: the carry-on, the checked, and the checked plus. You can't go wrong with either size. It really just depends on if you're an overpacker or not. Here we have the Carry-On Pro. It only comes in one size because Pro bags aren't really meant to be checked. However, the outer pocket is removable. The snap sleeve is very secure, yet easy to snap back on. And of course the Carry-On Light Luggage, which only weighs 3.9 pounds. I am so excited to finally show you guys the trunk luggage. It comes in 2 sizes, the carry-on and the checked. The latches open easily, each with their own code. And when you open it up, it shows off the spacious inside and fabulous compression sleeve. They also had their packing cells on display, which you guys know that I'm obsessed with. They sell a 4-pack and an 8-pack. Look at that organization. Wow. This is their Carry-On Weekender Plus, and I want it so bad. I love that it opens up clamshell style and is packable on both sides. You could use it by itself or in addition to your luggage, and you can hold so much stuff. This is their CarryAll Weekender, which is a great personal item bag. There's a laptop pocket, a ton of space inside, and of course it fits perfectly over your luggage to be completely hands-free while traveling. Here we have the CarryAll backpack, and I'm in love with the sleek water bottle pocket that actually zips all the way up. Gone are the days of your water bottle falling out during travel. It can also fit a 16-inch laptop and has a 20-liter capacity. If you need a little bit more capacity, you could go for the Volume Plus backpack, which unzips to expand from 21 liters all the way to 26. It also opens up wide for easier packing, which is incredible. The everyday tote is such an essential item. It comes in small and large, and you guys, I fell in love with it so much that I actually bought one myself. Stay tuned for my review. I am so obsessed with the organization and this really cool hidden pocket. There are tons of other great accessories that July has. Their water bottles come in 2 different sizes and a ton of fun colors. What I want to get next is this beautiful trunk luggage. All right guys, thanks so much for watching and coming to the July store with me. I was so happy that I got to pop in here before we go on our cruise. All the bags are so awesome in person. I hope you got to see everything that you wanted to see. Subscribe for more content from July and anything else travel-wise. And we'll see you next time with our next review from July. Thanks. Bye.